Please attention, I show you how to make visually stunning map with glowing stroke brushes, with gradient color, with animations and effects in After Effects. Are you ready? So let's get started. So now first of all create a new composition, click here and select width 1920, height 1080 and frame rate 30 and change its name into main. Hit OK. Again click here and create one more composition and I will call it thumbnails and copy my settings and hit OK. Again click over here and create one more composition and I will call it brushes and select the same settings and hit OK. So now first of all I will select this thumbnails, double click over here and it will open here. Now simply I will type here thumbnail and select this text tool and type over here and type viral thumbnail. Okay, I am using here Mosaic font and again press Ctrl Alt Home to set this anchor point in the middle of this text and then press Ctrl Home key to set this text in the middle of the column. Now select this layer and press Ctrl spacebar and this is the search console bar to search effects. It's free, you can download it from Video Copilot and type here gradient ramp. Select gradient ramp. Now select these nodes from here and put it over here just like this. Select this node from here and put it over here. Now select the start color and change it into red. Hit OK. Again select the end color and change it into yellow just like so. And now we have gradient colors. If you want to copy the same Isaac style, you can import the Isaac video in your project. Double click on it and it will open here. And now we will create this kind of stroke brushes and here you can see glowing thumbnails. So how to create glowing thumbnails? Let's go back. Now simply select this layer and press Ctrl spacebar and search for deep glow. This is a plugin, you can download it. I will leave the link in the description below. And now we have much glow. Set the radius around 300 and exposure value 0.1 and now we have good amount of glowing just like Isaac. Now it's time to create the brushes just like Isaac. It's very easy. Let's go back project and here you can see our brushes. Double click on this composition and it will open here. So now it's very easy to create brushes just like Isaac and select this pen tool and go to fill and select none. And then click stroke and select solid color and hit OK and select the stroke width value around 50 and now simply click 4 point over here 1 2 3 4. Okay, now again let's go back to the pen tool and here is the convert vertex tool. Select this one and click over here to make rounded. Now hold down Ctrl and left click. Now you can move these points easily. So now I will taper its head and tail points, so it's very easy. Let's go inside the shape layer and contents, shape, and here is the stroke and here you can see line cap. Select line cap into round cap and go down inside taper and set the start length value 40, then set the end length value 40 and start width 40 and start end width 40. So now I will increase its size, so it's very easy. Come over here and set the stroke width value around 100. It's good. So first of all I will animate these brushes, so it's very easy. Go to over here and here you can see add button. Click on this add button and select the trim path. So it's very easy and here is the trim path. Go inside trim path and here you can see end value. If you decrease the end value you can see this kind of animation. So it's very easy. Set the value 0 and place your playhead at the beginning, very beginning, and then click on this animation key. And now we have animation key and move your playhead few frames forward and set the end value 100. Now let's play. If you want to make it fast, so simply move this key backward just like so and let's play. And now we have this kind of animation. So now it's time to apply gradient color just like Isaac. So it's very simple. Select this shape color and press Ctrl spacebar. Now type gradient ramp and select this one. Now we have gradient, so it's very easy. And again select this node from here, start of ramp node, and put it over here. Again select this node, end of ramp, and put it over here. Okay, Now select the start color. From here select the red color, hit OK, and select end color value. Now select this yellow color, yellowish color. Okay, it's looking much better. If we come over here, and here you can see this side is more red and here is little bit yellowish. Let's back and select this node and put it over here. Now we have same Isaac style gradient. Let's back compositions. Okay, now it's time to create a glow on these brushes. So it's very simple. Select this layer, again press Ctrl spacebar and type deep glow. Press enter. Now we have deep glow, and again set the radius value around 300 and set the exposure value 0.1. And now let's play. Now let's press U key to reveal its animation key. Simply select all of these keyframe. Press F9, go to graph editor and simply select all of these keyframe and click fit selection to view. Now select this handle and do it closer towards this anchor point. Okay, let's go back and let's play and check it now. And now we have smooth animation. Now let's go to our main project, and here is our main project. Go to main composition, select first of all thumbnails and place it over here. Again select brushes and place it over here at the top of this, and make all of this layer 3D. And first of all select this brushes and press Ctrl D to make some more copies. 1 2 3 4, it's enough. Then right click new and select camera. Make sure you have selected one node camera type and select the preset 50mm. Hit OK. Now again select this zoom tool and move it backward just like so. Select this selection tool and move it over here just like so, and again select this one and move it over here, and select this one and move it over here. Make some more copies, press Ctrl D. Now simply rotate all of these brushes just like Isaac, as you can see, just like Isaac. Again go back to the composition and rotate all of these just like this, one by one. Select this one and rotate it from here, and select this one and again rotate just like so. So now I will create these shapes, text with and also with mosaic color. So how to create this one? So it's very simple. Come over here and click here and create a new composition. So now I will call it text shape and copy my settings. So now I will create rounded rectangle shapes. Now let's come over here, left click and select the rounded rectangle tool and select fill linear color and select the fill option linear gradient. Hit OK and go to stroke and select none. Then left click and make a shape. If you want to know about this color, how to create this color, it's very easy. Come to over here and here is the code. Simply select this, use this code, simply select this one and type this code as you can see on the screen. Then select this one and type this code if you want to get accurate and same result over here. Okay, let's go inside over here rectangles, and here you can see gradient. Okay, select the selection tool and move it further away and also move it further away, and now we have this kind of shape. Simply select this gradient fill. Now select this gradient fill and move this gradient option just like so. Let's come over our main comp and simply drag this text shape over here and make it 3D. Okay, now press S and scale up just like so. Simply select this shape from here and press Ctrl D, and you can also press Ctrl D over here, Ctrl D to create some more shapes. Okay, and place all the shapes just like so. Okay, select the position all of this just like so. Let's go back over here. Now simply select this point, region of interest, alt click to reset. Simply left click and drag and select a rectangle, draw a rectangle. Then let's go to the composition and select crop comp to region of interest. Now we have small comps. Let's go back over here, and now we have all small comps. Select the first layer and hold on shift and select the last layer and press T and set the opacity around 50. So now it's time to create a text over here. So it's very super simple. Select this text tool and click over here and type animation. So now select the selection tool and make it 3D. And now we have 3D text. Okay, and place it over here again just like so, and press S and scale it up and move it accurate just like I said. Now select this text and press Ctrl D to create some more copies. Select this one and move it over here. So now I will do the same with all of others. Okay, now I am going to create some blurriness just like Isaac, and right click over here and create a new adjustment layer, and now simply press Ctrl spacebar and search for Mosaic. Okay, now set the Mosaic value 200 and 200. Again select this adjustment layer, press Ctrl spacebar and search for directional blur and set the value or amount 15. Now simply select this rectangle and create a mask over here just like so, and simply press Ctrl D and duplicate it and select the selection tool and move it over here. Again select Ctrl D, makes one more copy, and do the same with all others. So simply select this one and press Ctrl D and move it over here, and do the same thing with all others and copy my settings. Okay, now we have successfully created blurriness around this, and something is missing over here. Here you can see, as you can see, here are some sharp edges. So how to fix sharp edges? Simply select this first layer and hold down shift and select the last one, and then press F for feather. Here you can see, simply increase the feather value just like so. Now you can see closely, we have some more blurriness around this shape. So now I will create camera zoom in animation. So it's very easy. Select this camera, go inside over here, and here you can see, and click on this stopwatch to add position and orientation keyframes. So it's very simple, and place it over here just like this, and now select this zoom tool and move it forward just like so. Okay, now you can also change its rotation value from here just like Isaac. It's not Isaac style, it's my style, and set the Z rotation value 10, and again you can also change its value from here and also add its keyframe from here, and then press K and move it forward and set the rotation value 0. Now select all of these keyframes, press F9. Let's go to graph editor and select all of these keyframes, click fit selection to view and do it closer to this anchor point for starting fast animation and end slow animation. So now I will add some glow in this text. Now select this text and press Ctrl spacebar and type deep glow, and set the exposure value 0.09 and set the radius value 400, and now right click and copy this effect. Now select this text layer and hold down shift and select the last second, and don't select the Animate text layer because we have already applied the deep glow on it, and simply press Ctrl V, and now we have glow effects on all other text. So in the next video I will teach you how to make this beautiful rectangle animation and this stroke animation and also this one. And don't forget to download project files free, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.